Hey there, young coders. Today we're diving into a secret world in CSS that's invisible yet incredibly helpful. Welcome to the magical land of CSS Comments. Imagine you're a detective and these comments are your secret notes. They're hidden messages in your CSS code that only you and other coders can see, not the people visiting your website. CSS comments are like whispers in your code. They don't change anything on your website, but are super handy for leaving notes and secrets for yourself and your team. Writing a comment is like casting a spell. Just wrap your note between /* and */ and you've made a comment. You can sprinkle these magical notes anywhere in your code, above a style rule, inside it, or even in the middle of a line. And if your secret message is too long for one line, no worries. Stretch it across as many lines as you need. Remember, detectives, we also have HTML comments. These start with less than, exclamation mark, hyphen, and end with hyphen, greater than. They're perfect for hiding clues in the HTML part of your code. No matter what kind of comment you add, it will never be visible in the result. Now you're ready to leave hidden messages all over your code, making it easier to understand and update. In the world of programming, especially when working with someone else's code, every note counts. Like and subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. For more coding tips and tricks, keep it locked right here on w3schools.com. Don't forget to try out what you've learned in our interactive editor. Happy coding!